Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Apple farmers hiring beekeepers for pollination might seem complex, but we can solve this economics puzzle in just 3 quick steps. Let's go. The act of apple farmers paying beekeepers to bring bees to their orchards is a specific economic activity. We must identify if this interaction happens inside or outside the market. While pollination is often cited as a classic positive externality, that only applies when it happens for free. Here, money is actually being exchanged for the specific service of pollination. This direct exchange for a service means the benefit is internalized. That makes option D, a market transaction, the final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi, watch signs and avoid rush, trust given facts and check steps for option D.